The Bloomberg Terminal is a premium financial information platform widely used by institutional investors, traders, and financial analysts for real-time market data, news, analytics, and trading capabilities. Its subscription cost is high, typically around $31,980 per user per year for a single terminal in 2025, with discounts available for multiple terminals or long-term agreements. Despite this steep price, many professionals consider it worthwhile due to its comprehensive data coverage, powerful analytical tools, and reliable customer support. The terminal excels in providing access to a vast database, sophisticated analytics, and a unique communication network, making it invaluable for portfolio management and investment decisions. However, its complexity and costs often mean it's more suitable for firms and serious professionals rather than individual investors. Alternative platforms exist at lower price points, but few match Bloomberg's scope and market influence. Users should weigh the high cost against the quality, speed, and breadth of information offered. Overall, the Bloomberg Terminal remains the gold standard in financial data terminals, delivering extensive features that justify its premium pricing for those who require top-tier market intelligence. And that would be all for this review video. I'll see you on the next one.